For centuries, people have journeyed to the farthest reaches of the earth in search of what exactly? Fame? Fortune? Curiosity? The answers are as diverse as the people themselves. Everyone has their own reasons for seeking the unknown. For us, it's simple. We want to ensure that when we close the final chapter of our lives, we can reflect on a journey filled with adventure, meaningful experiences, and genuine connections that we're proud to have built along the way. Ahead of us lies that life, brimming with possibilities, and we're on a mission to collect every moment. We're kicking off this mission by taking on one of the greatest overland adventures of all time, the Pan American Highway. From the northernmost point of Alaska to the southern tip of Argentina, this road stretches over 30,000 kilometers and spans more than 16 countries. Over the next year and a half, we'll be navigating through varied landscapes, cultures, and challenges, all while immersing ourselves in what it truly means to exist beyond the familiar. Our goal is to embrace the unknown, test our resilience, and uncover what it takes to be modern-day explorers. We're here to learn, to grow, and to soak in every twist and turn the road throws our way. Join us as we embark on this wild ride, discovering the beauty, wonder, and unpredictability that the Pan American Highway has to offer. We're so excited to share our journey with you. Every stunning vista, every unforeseen detour, and every unforgettable moment. We're Alex and Meg, the slow roamers. So buckle up and let's roam.